Satnam, one day my wife and I were doing our morning walks along Carter Road. We've been doing that for the last 14 years. On that particular day, my wife asked me this. She said, we see these people walking and we've been seeing them for the last 14 years. They all must be so healthy because they're here every morning like us, and they must be eating right, and it must be in great shape. They must be really healthy. I said, no. Most of them are not healthy. She was shocked. She said, no, that's not possible. I said, I can bet you that out of the next 100 people we see, less than 5 will be healthy. She was shocked. So we had a bet. And guess what? I used whatever I know about Ayurveda, naturopathy, yoga, posture, chakras, everything, and I analyzed everybody who came from the front, and we were just analyzing each and every one of them. Out of 100 people that I analyzed, only 1 was healthy. 99 of these regular walkers were unhealthy. Why am I telling you this? It's because we spend our entire lives doing things, thinking that what we're doing is benefiting us. We are following these fad diets, we are running, we're going to the gym, we're doing yoga. But there is no understanding of what really is optimum health, what it is really to be healthy. For example, according to Ayurveda, it's the color of your skin. The color of your eyes. Are your eyes white? Do they have a brown tinge in it? Are they reddish? What is the color of your eyes? There's so many parameters of health. When you look at someone, you can see the aura, if it's shining, if it's radiant, if it's glowing, the strength of the magnetic field, the vitality. People don't know that. They're just following this mirage called health. They're following this mirage called a healthy lifestyle, and they don't know where they're going. And if you don't know where you're going, you're not going to reach where you're supposed to go. What we are trying to do with Transform 4 Optimum Health is give you a clear idea as to what is the meaning of good, perfect health and what it is that you need to do. What are the basic tenets of Ayurveda, naturopathy, yoga, what it is from all of these sciences that you can put on your plate so that you live a healthier, happier, and a more beautiful life. So join me on this journey, which is starting on the 15th of October. It's going to be wonderful. Satnam.